Hi, thank you for visiting our Chrome extension page. I am Proof Measure present across various platforms, but mainly active on Facebook and Instagram. But today I'm going to show you how to use our Chrome extension that will be automating your workflow on Grok Video Generation. So first of all, I'm going to open a new tab and heading over to grok.com/imagine. Once that loads, I'll open up the Grok automation extension on the right. Now look at the control tab. I'm going down to the prompt field. This is where you can paste all your ideas at once, and I'll set the outputs per prompt to 1 for now. You can also adjust the random delay here so the automation stays under the radar. I'm clicking over the setting tab. I want my videos in 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'll select that, and I'm also setting the quality to 720p and the duration to 10 seconds. Once those are locked in, I'll hit Save Settings at the bottom. You will see the log confirm that everything is synced with Grok. Now let's jump back to Control tab and set Start Queue. Watch the debug logs at the bottom. You can see the extension taking over. It is navigating the page, finding the input field and typing the prompt. It is also clicking the video mode and setting the resolution we just picked. You can track the status in the prompt queue section. It shows running and gives you the percentage bar. This way you can just let it run in the background while it handles the manual work for you. If you need more prompts, click Upgrade. I'll show you how it works. It takes you to the pricing page where you can see the free, monthly, and lifetime options. I'm selecting a plan here, which opens the Stripe checkout. Just enter your info and hit pay. Once that is done, you have got the full access. You can find all the details and install link at grokauto.proofmeasure.com. It is also built to keep your content workflow fast and simple. Go ahead and install it and start batching your videos. Thank you for watching.